We make Christmas trees out of a 2x8 board by cutting them at a 20-degree angle and flipping the board back and forth. Then I cut a design from the Silhouette Design Store and weeded it and placed it on the triangle tree after I painted it a base coat of white. Here I am burnishing the design on, and then I'll peel off that transfer tape. And then next I will paint another coat of white over the design so that any paint that will bleed the same color as the base coat. Then once that's done, I'll let that dry, and then I'll go ahead and paint it the final color that I want the trees to be. So here I am painting it green, and I'll let that dry and then peel off the design, the vinyl, and then I will paint the remaining sides green, and then I come up with these fun little tree designs.